Hi YouTube, Animal Jam Gaming here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to double an item or your den items. So I have a buddy here that is going to help me. Video, please. This is a vid. This is a real thing and I need your help. Because I tried to use her for the video I made previous to this one, except she's like, this isn't a real video, and she left. So, oops. Sorry about this. My computer sometimes slides down automatically. Please. So, hopefully she comes. I can just get somebody else, I guess. So, let's go. Oops, I think I clicked an underwater world. I'm gonna log out because that's taking forever to load. Okay, so I'm gonna go to Superior Forest because there's usually a lot of members here. Yeah, surprisingly not. In the other world, there was more members. Okay, I need help. I really do need help. Members? Members, I need help. Because you can only do this with members, like I said. So, okay, hold on a second. I need members. Sorry. Why is it on cap lock? Okay, I'm gonna go to a different world. Hopeful that it's more full. Person sitting in the slide. Okay, no. This is not so good. Okay, there's gonna be nobody in here, and I know that for sure, because there's nobody in Jamal. Oh, never mind. I guess that nobody hangs out in Jamal anymore. Oh, wow, there's a lot of people. I really need help for a video. Members only. Because this is where all the clans are made. See? Anyone have a clan? Okay, punches and jaw. I hate people like this that just come up and like, can you adopt me? Please? Please? I really need a home. Go to the adoption center. Okay, this might be a while. I'll be right back. Okay, so I have someone at my den and I'm gonna say, hi. I need your help. I'm going to start off with an item I only have one of, and that's pretty good, but not too good that this guy can scam me. So, I'm going to place an item in my den. It's going to be this pinwheel. Now I'm going to go to my small house. And you have to have 2 dens for this glitch. And let's see. You're going to place the pinwheel inside of your house. Where is my pinwheel? Okay, there it is. So, please send back what I send to you. So I'm gonna send him. Oops, I wasn't supposed to put that pinwheel in my house. What am I doing? Sorry about that. So I'm gonna send him my pinwheel. Send this back. Never mind, I can't say anything. So, house settings. Please. Okay. Hooper Storm is a weird name. Hooper? First of all, what kind of name is Hooper? Hooper Storm? I don't know. It just sounds like weird to me. Please send that back, please. I need it. Come on. I need help. Are you there? Hopefully I didn't just lose that. Okay, he sends it back. So now that he sent it back, I'm gonna switch to my castle den. My pinwheel is there, except, check this out, I just doubled it. Okay. So, let's give shoutouts to Hooper Storm for helping me. I don't even know who he is. But you should buddy him because he's nice. Okay. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, or comment to Animal Jam Gaming. Bye. Sorry guys, almost forgot. If you go on for the second time, like if you log out and log back in, log out, play, and then go to your den. I'm sorry, but the thing will not be there anymore. It only lasts for as long as you're on that day. But you can have a really beta den. Like you can team up with your friends, get a really beta item or something, and just double it and double it and double it and double it. You know, cool. And thanks for watching. Bye.